Welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing today? If you are new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, comment and share. If you are watching from Facebook, please do the same. Follow me on my page, like the video, comment and share. Yes, today is 11th of November 2023, the day that the Imo State gubernatorial election is taking place. Yes, before I go through this video, I'll show you what is going on in Imo State and how the Imo State looks today. The lockdown that is taking place in Imo State and gubernatorial election that the government insists they must continue to conduct the election. But before then, I would like to show you what our sister and our mother Oyeko have to say. You know, these are people that you expect to know better, people that you expect to have knowledge of what is going on, because I believe she witnessed Civil War 1967 and all that, but she did not learn anything with all those experiences. She knows what is happening in Imo State, but one thing with our people is that once they come out, they decided to be politically correct. They decided to, choose their words instead of hitting the truth. Just like what Ebukobi did in his own video, in supporting of the election and pushing Hope Uzodinma to remain. Later he come back and said, he did not. But we all read we can listen what he said in that video. We know the truth and we know what he's trying to say. Here is Oyeko when, vomiting and spitting her own. You can hear what she's saying here. I would like to play it so that you will watch it.
My name is Adamazi Onyeka Onwenu. I'm from Arondizogo in Imo State. My state used to be one of the most peaceful, joyous, happy, hospitable places you could visit in the country.
She's speaking from Imo State, from USA. She's speaking from
now
USA,
our streets are filled with blood.
She's not in Imo State, but in
Our communities, our farmlands are decimated.
Okay.
Our youths are leaving. In a few days, November 11 to be exact, we will go to the polls to choose a new governor or re-elect the sitting governor. I thank everyone who has come out for their courage to do so, to rescue Imo State. All I want to say at this point is, for those in power and those in control, let there be peace. Enough of the bloodshed, enough of the killings, the kidnapping, the burning of houses and property. Enough of the threats, the intimidation, the harassment, the inducements, the bribery, the corruption. Enough for just the ambition of some people. Please remember that you do not own life. God does. Imo State will survive. Imo State will thrive. The world is watching. We have all it takes. May God help us.
This is 9:30. And the INEC officials are already going back to their various offices. There is no election.
This is 9:30. The INEC officials already packed their
9:30 a.m. There is no
materials going back to INEC office. 9:30 a.m. 9:30 a.m.
Going back.
9:30 a.m. You can see the crowd.
9:30 a.m.
We need good government.
We are not saying there shouldn't be election, but let it be free and fair.
So this is 9:30 a.m. Already INEC taking it back to INEC office at the local government secretariat.
Let us see. See what is happening. See what is happening. They've already rigged the election already. They are bringing it for us. Look at them.
Isn't that what I told
Election. Look at it. The election has already been rigged. The election has already been concluded. Why did we come here? Who is deceiving who?
Okay, this is an update of what is going on in Imo State today as they conduct election there in Imo State after the Afghan government in exile have warned them not to, partake in the election, and the lockdown is on in Imo State. But our people, some of us will still, show one of our strong head. Some people will still come out to show their strong head, trying to, play allegiance to Imo State government, hopes of them and to support. So you can see a few of them, all those one Nigerianists, people that vow not to, see anything good in Igbo land. They went out to do the vote and see how they are complaining. You can see what is going on in one of the polling booths in Imo State. This update is from one of the journalists in Imo State also. Let's hear him and see what he have to say.
Ụbọchị akara aka na steeti Imo dịka ntụliaka elu maliterela taa n'ebe ụfọdụ na steeti Imo, mana ọ dị mkpa ka anyị mee ka mata ihe na-eme na St. Paul's Primary School ebe Waterside Azuzi Ward na Douglas Road kpọmkwem ebe ndị APC talks ndị agbụrụ APC na-achọghachi ndị na-achọghị ịtụnyere APC. Ịma yesterday ka anyị kwuru okwu ndị kụrụ ekwe na Owerri Municipal, so ha ebidola ọrụ ahụ, ha emewelie now they are driving back onye ọbụla na-awụghị onye gatụrụ APC na Azuzi Ward St. Paul's Primary School ebe Waterside. So we are calling upon INEC to move in, police move in, military move in to prevent.
You can see him calling INEC and police and army to move in to stop political talks, forgetting that those talks are working hand in hand with the Nigerian security agents. Who invited police and army there in the state? It's the governor. So what do you expect? Governor is in what party? APC. I don't understand how our people reason sometimes. Anyway, well, that is the essence of referendum, because it does not mean that everybody will support freedom of Biafra and anything. No. Some people will stay, hold band to Nigeria, one Nigerian and all that. So this is what we expect. To where they have, they insist to do their election also. This is another place. You can see few people there. These are just few and minor people that decided to sneak in to do the election. Okay, and this is what happened, and you can hear gunshot, in the background. They were panicking, were afraid. I don't know why some people are giving their life for election that they know that it doesn't matter whether you vote or you did not vote. The Hope Uzodinma remain in the power. He remained the governor of Imo State. We all know this, and I don't know why some people are still, tasting the water with their lives. Yeah, as you can see, let's watch. You hear the gunshots? This is in Imo State. You can hear that, you can hear that. We are our own problem, honestly. We are our own problem. Assuming that everybody decided to avoid this election, although there's a serious lockdown in Imo State, a very serious one. But assuming that they are listening to the instruction given by the Biafran government in exile to avoid this election and remain in your house, those that will give their life, today, they will give up their life today if they decide to obey the instructions. They will not lose their life, but some people will also come out to see what will happen, and they will end up losing their life. You see them here also complaining that police people did not allow them to go and vote. These are people that they may be living nearby the polling booth, you understand? So, and government of Hope Uzodinma is using the opportunity also to limit those who will vote against them. These are just formality because the result is out already. He knows that he will remain in power, just like all his supporters have promised him. If you listen to Ebuka Obi's video where he was campaigning for him, he made it clear that he will continue the good job he's doing in Imo State, which I don't know the job he's talking about. Is it the buying of people or using chemical on people or burning the market or setting people's house ablaze? I don't know the good job he was talking about. But let's hear and see what happened here, because if we did not bring it, people will think it's a rumor.
This is only my local government. Hopefully, Ward 1 and 2. The police people didn't want us to go and vote. We will be standing here for past 1 hour to our members. The DPO said that we must pay him before we go. So take note.
They have seen their policies.
That the DPO said we must pay him before they go and vote. DPO is demanding money from people before they allow you to go and vote. You see, you can see the lineup here. See, this is DPO and police people where they are stopping people from going to polling booth to vote. Why the INEC is busy? They are busy printing and packaging the result for Hope Uzodinma. And tomorrow, someone will come out and say, "We did not vote for you." The question is, did you vote for Hope Uzodinma before he go there? Did you vote for him? Who put votes for Hope Uzodinma in the power in the first place? These are questions that people are not asking. You are planning to vote him out. Send him out with your vote when you know that your vote did not put him there in the first place. What put him there in the first place will still remain. Will still keep him there. You understand? Because he's doing their bidding. People that put him there have their agenda, and the Hope Uzodinma is giving them his own quote. That's just the truth. Let's take a closer look to Imo State roads. See the market and how the lockdown is being played out today. Forget about what they're doing in one corner of the street, calling it an election and all that. The lockdown is intact. People did not come out to vote. Imagine gubernatorial election looked like a councilorship election. Very, very weak, very, very dried. The street is totally dried. People stayed at home. People, don't care about what the government and threat they're giving upon them. They decided to be mindful of their lives and, reject the government of the day in Imo State. Let's watch and see how the street looks.
No single shop. No single shop open for my side. Everywhere is under lock and key. Every single place. Maybe small something. Every day. No single shop. No single shop open for my side. Everywhere is under lock and key. Every single place. Maybe small something. Every no single shop. No single shop.
You can see the street. You can see this is a local government in Imo State. This is another local government in Imo State. So it's not just like one zone. No, it's different part of the state. My own is to make sure that you have the information so that you care for your own life. You are not a politician, so why will you give your life for the election? Why will you die for nothing? It is not by force. If you decide to come out, of course you can come out. But what happened to you, nobody will give account of it. That's the problem. Not all that too long. I have to thank you for watching so far. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting me in this platform, in this channel. Thank you. Please don't forget to follow me on my Facebook. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. Like the video, comment and share so that people will know what is going on in our land. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.